Once you have entered your vehicle, make sure immediately that you put on your seatbelt. A lot of beginning drivers just come in, put the key in and go. You will fail your test. Come in, lock your door, then put on your seatbelt. Then I want to see you move your seat forward or back. I'm moving my seat back. Move it forward. Then I want you to frame the rear window in your center mirror. So when you're driving, I should see you looking up, okay? Pretend you're in the car with me. Next, your side mirror, that's your driver's side. We're in America, so our steering wheel's on the left. If we were in the UK, Australia, India, it would be on the right. So I want to see you get your hands on the wheel. Then I want to see you look to the left. Adjust your side mirror so you see a little bit of the rear door handle. So when you're driving, I should see you looking and checking. Go ahead and do this with me. Look and check. Look and check. Next, your right side mirror or your passenger side. Bring that mirror in, adjust it. So when you're driving, I should see you looking. Don't be scared to look around. A lot of beginners are so scared to look around. It's okay. I'm your co-pilot. I'm here to help you.